a long tap. Look how long they made that. It's normal like that long. It's like they want to go real deep for some reason.
Bottoming. They want to make sure it bottoms.
They don't bottom, it goes right out the other side.
Good for trying to get me.
I'm gonna catch you. I could power tap it all the way through if I wanted to. Oh Jesus, leaning this way a little bit.
Just handle.
See that hurts when you hit the finger in there? A lot of cutting effort here. Must be a really sharp tap.
Oh, I'm tired.
Me too, my finger's starting to hurt. Didn't come out the bottom yet though.
Luke seems to have some mechanical ability, huh?
Mm-hmm. More than he used to have.
Coming out the bottom now. Cutting oil coming out the bottom. A little extra case lubricant right there.
Bearings yet.
That's a good thing.
Fix that.
Yeah.
And don't leave this here if you blow it around because it might blow it all over yours. Well, I'll probably blow over Bill. It might hit me though. I gotta be careful. As long as it looks good. Here's the semi-oil free now. Does it look oil free?
Nope.
If I turn this noise off, it'll be quieter in here.
Phase converter?
You notice how the air compressor? You notice how the air compressor runs in there? That one comes on too. You got big ass wires in the wall. All right. Where is your special compound at? If we have any.
Oh, you put some sort of Loctite, not Loctite, but essentially Loctite.
Purple.
Appears to be a little loose.
Purple.
Why is it so loose?
Feeling with it, it's red and a half. Well, the case is definitely weaker, right?
Well, this is only good to 355 degrees.
This repair won't weaken the cases.
It fills up a 10 thou gap and it's 4,500 psi holding power.
Pretty thick area of the crank right there, so we're not really taking any of the integrity away.
No, I'm talking about, you say you don't want to grenade the crank, but if something happens, the crank is a stronger piece in the equation?
Yeah, for sure. If it let loose and something bound up in there, you know, then you got bent rods and shit. You know, the crank is instantly junk.
More noise went away.
We put a lot of work into that crank. It's, you know, percentage balanced.
Okay, this has got the highest holding power I got.
Green.
And it also it tolerates oil. So that means you have a little bit of oil in there, it doesn't kill it. A little bit down in the thread area. A little bit of extra doesn't hurt that.
Those 5/8 wheels have a larger diameter.
Oh. Do you have an installer tool for this?
You do. I think you're using it, and I called
is that what I'm
your
using?
broken hands.
Well, it has to go all the way down before you insert it completely in. It could go on there, see it didn't go any deeper. That means I need a bolt. You got a bolt around there? Very much. Oh, there's the expanding part. Ooh. Boy. Get some tension on that. Looks like it only expands the very top. Not the bottom. And if you keep going, you jam the thread in and screw it all up. Comes out just as hard as it went in.
So that opens up the time-sert.
It expands it into the case, you know.
Got it.
But it doesn't do it until the very end. So you didn't do anything until you got down this deep. So
Right.
that means you only got down for a couple threads. Probably 3 or 4 threads is all it expands. Which means it can unscrew pretty easy. Oh, it split the case. Mark right there.
That's from rolling around the back of my truck.
Oh, I wiped it off.
Fresh lower end.
I wiped it off. Any better? I think it's sticking up just a little bit. Right. Oh, damn, that hurts. Some little burr came up. Pretty flat. Alright, she's on there. Where's your stud?
Stud is right over there in that black box.
Got a head bolt?
No matter which one.
Yes. The one that goes on the head.
One along.
Let's try this again. Ball bearing goes in a damn hole. Then you do this. Well, your video sucks. You filmed the other day. Told you it was too close.
What?
You're way too close.
You gotta post it and let the people decide.
There's no doubt about it. And then you kept going out of focus because you're so stinking close. You couldn't see
I used to
shit.
do that too.
Couple
about
times.
15, 20 years ago.
Like every minute, it would go blurry.
Well, I'm not used to using one of these things.
That's right. So put enough oil
Because
in
you're
it.
looking at that small screen
Yeah.
and it looks small, but when you actually convert it over to the computer, it's way bigger.
Yeah, we got the wrong size going on here. It's supposed to be bigger on this side. How come they're not bigger? It's made wrong.
All they did was in '93, they just flipped them around.
Yeah, but this
Those
is supposed to
collars
be
used to-
bigger. This is supposed to be bigger than the other side. Because studs are bigger to make the case tight. See, you got tight right there. It's locked up solid. Not going no further now. Oh, maybe it will. With a Loctite sets up, you gotta get it down. Otherwise, it sticks up like this one. tight. That's tight. It's bottomed out. Oh, I can tell my shoulder said it was bottomed out. Just where you lose the ball again. Falls out. Our gravity is pushing out. Don't lose your ball. Here
I'll
you go.
put it back.
No, I'm putting it back. It's my ball. Right there. Now you wipe off the excess material you don't need. Now your case is repaired. If you did it right, they actually line up with the other ones. It's straight. You know, this one looks like it's not. Looks like it's leaning. Chips, hit chips in my rags. All right. What else are we gonna fix? We done? I think we're done with this.